Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to download your Ideogram images as a PNG, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm also going to show you a workaround. So let's climb straight in. So to download your Ideogram images in PNG, let's go over to My Images. I'm just going to show you, once you click on an image, you have some options. On the right hand side, you have the three dots. Now there's a few options. You can see there's a little lock next to some of them. And if you go over to download the PNG, which is 100% quality, is actually also locked. Now the reason it's locked is because you need a paid subscription. So the first way to get your images downloaded as PNG would be to pay for this and upgrade to a plus plan. You can see what it costs and all the other features that you gain when you have that upgraded plan. One of the other ways of doing this is if you go to download, you're going to go and download the JPEG. Now I know it's only 70%, but it is free. You can now go over to a JPEG to PNG converter, and I find Adobe's products are fantastic. It is also free and it's not limited. You can just dial in JPEG to PNG Adobe. You'll get over to this page over here and you can go and click on this. Let's upload an image. And this image now will be converted from JPEG to PNG. It'll take a few seconds. It's actually using Adobe Express. Now, of course, as I mentioned, the quality won't be the same, but there again are online tools that you can use to upscale your images so that you can still have high quality. There you go. You now have a PNG. You're going to go ahead and click on download and you will have a downloaded PNG. Let's go jump in here, and there it is, file.png.